Japadola community, we keep on moving with different activities, and as of this month, August, on the 11th of August, the main hall, Makerere University, we shall be carrying out the inaugural the Japadola Community Conference under the theme Positioning the Japadola for the 21st Century and Beyond. This conference will be inaugurated by His Royal Highness the Kwaradora Moses Stephen Award, and he shall also act as the chief guest at the conference.
We have 6 cement industries. We have nearly every mineral that God created really can be found in Tororo. We have really, you're hearing about standard gauge railway, you're hearing about Mukwano industry, you're hearing about every. Tororo is supposed to be the headquarters of East African community. It's being constructed in Tororo. We are not prepared, or we are not preparing to tap into all that. We therefore think this formation of this organization, and therefore the conference, is a clarion call to every Japadola. It's a bell to say, can we come together, organize ourselves to tap into this?
You asked about other